Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add effect on TikTok, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TikTok and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface of TikTok apps on your screen, where you can see plus icon at bottom. Just tap over there and you will be redirected to the another section where you can create a post story templates on your screen. And now let's upload any videos or photos so that I can show you the effects. Now once you upload any post or videos, you simply need to see at right side, you can see the effect option. Once you tap on it, you will be able to add your effects from here. So basically this is how you can add effects on TikTok, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.